Good morning, everyone. This is Sharon, and I'm here today with Connor Flaherty. Good morning, Connor.
Good morning, Sharon. How are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Great. Good. Well, Connor is with Bold Legal, and he's a business attorney. And let's start off with hearing what do you love about the work that you do? It's a very specific kind of industry, a specific kind of law. And what do you want to share just to get us started?
Yeah, sure. We have clients of all shapes and sizes. So what I really love is getting to know all of my clients on a personal level and working with them to help achieve, their business goals, whatever those goals may be. And like I said, we have a lot of different shapes and sizes of clients, and so those goals can be very different in many cases. And I enjoy, all the unique challenges that each client brings. I also love having the opportunity to get to know and become a trusted advisor and partner with my clients. Where some other firms may shy away from business questions or questions like, what would you do if you were me? At Bolt Legal, we really embrace those questions and those challenges. We are business minded attorneys. We have a wealth of experience in the business world, and we really love to use our combined expertise and our gained experience to help our clients navigate complex business transactions.
So important. And I was just thinking about that distinction between keeping your consultations to very like law oriented versus being able to get in and have a really helpful business conversation, with a client.
Yeah. So that's anybody who's worked with a business law firm before is probably aware of that frustration. I myself, coming from a large transactional firm, have I had some frustrations. Clients would ask us those questions: "What would you do? Can you give us some advice on how to structure this?" And lots of times it was, if it's a business question, we would keep as far away as possible because we were retained for legal services. And for lots of clients, that can be very frustrating because you're talking to somebody who has so much experience in the business world, and they really won't give you any business related advice. And so at Bold Legal, we recognize that frustration, and we decided that we should do something about it. And so when our clients ask us, in your experience, how should we structure this? Or what would you do if you were us? We love those questions. We love to give our input, and we love to really partner with our clients to become a trusted advisor through all of those complex questions that come up.
Yeah, great. So along those lines, what are some of those conversations that you're in with some of your clients right now?
Yeah. So as I mentioned, we have clients of all shapes and sizes, private equity firms, large corporations, individual executives, startup companies, and really everything in between. And so really, if you're dealing with any type of business matter that involves a contract, we can help. We're the right firm to come to. And so we're constantly involved in many different types of conversations with clients. But some of the ones that we have on a very frequent basis would be, how do I manage risk and obtain the most value in an acquisition or a disposition transaction? How do I effectively incentivize my employees to help the company grow and succeed? How do I choose the right form of legal entity when I'm starting up a new company? And how do I appropriately develop, protect, and monetize my proprietary information and technology?
Really important question. So it helps to have those specific types of examples. And if somebody's coming to you and considering working with you, what would you want them to know about using your services and what they can expect that process to look like?
Sure. So at Bolt Legal, we consider ourselves a boutique transactional firm, which really means, we handle anything, like I said, anything that involves a contract, and we're a smaller firm. But what we would want clients to know is that we punch well above our weight. All of our attorneys come from top tier law schools, and many of us have experiences at some of the largest law firms in the world. And so because of that knowledge and experience, there's really no transaction that is too large or too complex for us to handle. In fact, those are the types of challenges that we love to take on. Big, large, complex transactions. our M&A group is really the bread and butter of our firm. And so that's, the type of work that we love doing. And as I mentioned before, our clients can expect to gain not just a law firm, but a trusted advisor that's going to partner with them throughout the business cycle to help them realize their professional goals. Also, I'd like to note that our clients can expect us to take a practical and efficient approach to really every client matter. Some other law firms can, waste clients' time or money, and you can expect us not to do that. We affirmatively manage all of the legal processes involved with any client matter to get deals done quickly and efficiently.
And what about if a business owner doesn't really know if they need an attorney or not? I think a lot of people that I talk to, they're maybe kind of exploring, like, maybe I need legal counsel. Maybe I can just pull this document off the internet, or maybe I should work with an attorney to get this contract put together. How would someone explore those conversations with you to really determine if it's a good fit?
Yeah, I would really encourage anyone in that position to just reach out and schedule, just an introductory consultation call. We do those types of calls with prospective clients all the time. We don't charge for them. And, a lot of times we do run into potential clients who are having those exact thoughts. Can I just pull this off the internet and get it done? And do I really need to consult an attorney? And lots of times after that initial consultation, they'll be surprised at, the amount of risk that is out there in any transaction. Because if you're working with other sophisticated, business people, there are always risks. And like I said, we have a wealth of experience and knowledge related to those risks and how to manage them. And so, like I said, I would just encourage anybody that is even considering, a complex transaction, or even a transaction that, might not be that complex, but they've never done it before. I would always encourage them to reach out, schedule that consultation. And, if you really can get it done on your own, we'll let you know. But if you can't, we're here to help, and we can do it in a very practical and efficient way to provide a lot of value to our clients.
Great. So if somebody does want to reach out, what's the best way for them to do that?
Sure. So I think phone and email always work best. You can reach me at my office line at 720-745-4272. And my work email is cflaherty@bold.legal.
Great. Thank you, Connor. Connor Flaherty with Bold Legal. And I hope some of you watching this video do reach out and take advantage of that consultation call, and to explore if Bold Legal might be a great support for you. Thank you for your time today, Connor.
Thank you very much, Sharon. It was a pleasure.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.